Okay, I'm back and I'm getting ready now to put the yeast in um, the bowl, and I wanted to show you what it kind of looks like. See how it looks kind of like there's a brown coating on top of the milk? Well, that means that it's active. Okay, so we're going to pour that into our mixer, and I'm going to scrape out all that I can get. Sorry, I don't have my stand today to put the thing on, I, the phone on, so I have to do it like this. What I'm doing is I'm trying to get all that yeast out of there, so it'll all go into the bread mixture. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and just turn that on low and just kind of get it incorporated into the mixer. And then what I'm going to do next is I'm going to add my melted butter to it. I'm putting my liquids in first, and then I'll add my dry ingredients. And this is 1 beaten egg. Okay. And then what I'm going to do with the flour and the salt, it's 4 cups of uh, all-purpose flour and 1/3 cup of sugar and 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So that's what's added into my dry ingredients. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add this flour into my mix, a little bit at a time. And again, I'm sorry about the camera. I'm not too good at this by myself. I usually have a stand to put it on, but my husband's put it somewhere and I can't find it. You see, I'm just taking it from this bowl to put it into this bowl. And kind of let that incorporate into that. Let me turn this light on over here so you can see a little bit better. Yeah. Takes a long time to get it all going good, but that's okay. We'll have good bread. And you can also make cinnamon rolls out of this mixture here. So if you like cinnamon rolls like I do, well, you can make cinnamon rolls. See how it's getting thicker and thicker? And that's what you want. You want it to get